So there we go, the first cut on our Anna.
I'm so excited. I know.
Alright, so where were we, guys? Where were we? Wow, it's been a long time. I have to check my records, but as far as I remember, it was somewhere in May when I stopped working on this car and I moved to the TR6, and now I'm back. So that's today is October 3rd, so it's been what, from May to October, that's 4.5 or 5 months I haven't been working on this car, and I'm totally lost now. I don't remember where was I. To be honest, I'm too lazy to watch my own videos again to see where was I. So now, while I was cleaning around, I remembered some things that I have to do, but I want to blow it now, and then we're gonna take a look all over and see where we're. And we're gonna focus on welding, because I really want once and forever to say I'm done with the welding on this car. Okay, so let's do a walk around. I thought I have to do something on the bonnet, but I don't think so anymore. I think I repaired everything, so at least as far as I remember. But I still have to strip the paint, so when I'm stripping the paint I might find if there's something, and if not, perfect. Inside, I think everything is done, so there's nothing else to be done inside. I think on this side everything looks finished. Down there everything looks finished. I don't remember anything that I had to do here. On this side I think everything is done. And one thing I remember from when I was stripping the paint, I found this. I don't know if you see it. And there you go. So this will need my attention. And this down there in the corner is lead. So I don't know how we're gonna fix that, but we will have to fix it. Oh yeah, here I ground a little bit too much, so I will have to fix that. So that's the second thing. Okay, I started to remember. What is this? Well, yeah, here, remember I repaired the area from here up, but never went down, and when I stripped the paint I found this as well, so I have to do this. Oh yeah, I think on the other side I had it just here. Let me go back. Here, this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, I started to remember now. And the last thing is here. That's the hatch. And so I guess this is gonna be a little bit harder. This I'm planning to grind this edge, remove this strip replace a piece of metal here inside and maybe weld this back or weld something else, but we will have to be very careful with the shape. I didn't want to play with this, but unfortunately I have no choice, so we're gonna have to do that. And yes, of course, you don't need to remind me, the battery box. We need to install the battery box, and I think that's gonna be it, at least on from the top of my head. These are the things that we still have to do as welding, then we will see what we're gonna move to. What? I'm dreaming about the day when I'm gonna start installing gauges and pedals and seats and carpets and stuff like that. I liked it. I liked that feeling on the TR6 when I was installing all these things, and it was very satisfying. But we have a lot of work to do before we get there. Okay, I'm so excited. We'll start with the easy stuff first, with this and this, because it's on the easy side, it's flat, and we'll take it slow. And then maybe we'll move to this and maybe go around the car. Alright, should we? Nobody else is gonna do it for us. We have to do it ourselves, right? So, no choice. Let's start. Really? Hold on. So, new season, new gloves. Let's see how long are these gonna last now. Ah, the light is not from the right place. Okay, let's switch places, guys. So you come here, and I come here. And that might be better. I'm so excited. How about that, huh? I think I haven't lost my skills. Wow. I fabricated it on the first go. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. That's what happens when other people use your tools for 6 months. Ah, thank you guys. Okay, not bad. Not bad as a first repair for the season, is it? Hmm? No. Okay, what's next? I got excited. Okay, we said this is next, right? Oh yeah. Next. Okay, next I think we're gonna jump into this mess, but not today. I think that's enough for today because we have to start slowly. Baby steps, remember? Baby steps in the beginning. So, I'm happy with the progress for today. So, see you tomorrow, guys. And as usual, the time flies and it's tomorrow already. So next we're gonna work on this. And I don't really know how to approach this. Because this here is lead. So I have to melt the lead obviously and pull it away. And then we will see how we're gonna make a... It's really weird angle here. Let me get rid of the lead first and then we will see how we're gonna proceed. Here I don't see a way to cut anything, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind it a little bit higher. I'm gonna put a piece there and I'm gonna weld it without cutting anything out. Many people are telling me that lead is a fantastic thing, but you see under the lead there is still rust, so what does it help me? So I'm gonna put a little bit of rust converter here inside. Okay. And now let's fabricate some part for here. Okay. The rust converter did what it was supposed to do. So now we're gonna prime it inside and the back of this piece, and we're gonna fit it there. Okay, we will give them a chance to dry while we get ready for welding. Okay, can't clean the paint too very well, so not sure how it is even gonna weld, but we'll see. Okay, I think that's good enough, and the rest is gonna be just a little bit of body filler on top. I'm not gonna do lead. No. And That's it. Whew. Ah, it was a little bit easier than what I expected. Alright, this here, you know this is a separate piece that is attached to the windshield frame, and we repaired, you can still see it here, we repaired one part of it. So when I put it on, I usually have to make holes for plug welds, so I will consider these plug welds. So I'm just gonna weld them. I'm not gonna cut a piece off. I'm just gonna weld them, and I'm gonna leave it as it is. Oh, and there's something here too. Didn't know about that. Here and here. Oh, good thing I saw that. And on the other side looks fine. Here as well, I'm gonna just weld it. Hope you see that. Or maybe not. I'll bring it closer. This is what I'm talking about. Here and here. So I'm just gonna weld this and this. Okay, all these areas are fixed now and ground. Don't ask me how did I grind it. It was hard, but it's all done. It's all done and it feels nice and smooth, so that's it. And now supposedly the only welding that's left on the car itself is the battery box. Everything else is fixed, I guess. Then of course we still have to do the hatch, and hopefully there's nothing on the bonnet, but when we strip the paint we will see, maybe something is gonna show up. But that's gonna happen in another video, guys, because I'm tired and I think we had enough for one video. Like I said, baby steps, not only for me but for you. You're gonna get tired of watching me if I keep going, so baby steps, slowly. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching as usual, thanks for commenting and subscribing. Welcome to the next season of Triumph GT6. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot of fun together again. Oh wow, look at that. That's a good idea.